What led me to need all this work was a lack of going to the dentist for many years. Had many bad teeth, cracked teeth, made me not want to go to the dentist. It just had so much procedure needed to be done back then that I just didn't feel like I wanted to go. Pictures that would be taken, I wouldn't be smiling, or even going out to dinner was hard because I couldn't chew my food.
John came in to see me, initially embarrassed about his teeth, and his dental problems consisted of a collapsed bite, advanced decay throughout.
What led me to start my action was here with Dr. Beckwith. He was getting me through the problems that I was having little by little, and he kept on telling me we need to do something, kept putting it off. And finally, my wife said, we have to do something.
John received a combination of porcelain crowns on his upper teeth to save his teeth. No need to remove them once his bite was addressed. On the bottom, John ended up using a 4-implant overdenture to restore his bite.
Since the procedure, when I first got it done, it was amazing. People who I haven't seen for a long time could see that how much work was done, and they could see that I was outwardly I was smiling all the time too. I'm so happy with the way things turned out. All the procedures that were done in the end was so worth it. Changed my life.